Welding isn't just a great career, it's a family tradition that I hope to pass on to my next generation. I'm Anthony. I am a group leader, and I've been welding since I was 12. So I'm the third generation of blacksmiths and welder. My father, he owned his company in Hawaii. It was called Pacific Gate, and did a lot of artistic gates and stuff for like golf courses. So when we eventually moved to Brazil, continued with his business there, and I was a big part of it. I was his right arm for most of his life. Knowledge is power in this industry. I feel like the more you can do, the more you're worth. Whatever you can embrace and absorb, it's just a bonus for you, for your future, for your career. I'm certified in stick, TIG, MIG, flux core, and a lot of the certifications are mil spec certs or mil standards certifications. Getting these certifications allowed me to expand in my company, expand and get a better position. It allowed me to acquire more knowledge and basically more work. Some of the industries that I've worked in, starting in pharmaceutical and food processing, up to military contractors and energy. It's definitely a new challenge on every job that you participate in. Everything is different. I would say the more critical the job, the more requirements there are. Welding career is in a very high demand, and it's hard to find the skilled personnel for it. It's a career that will never die, as machinery will never replace it. No robots will replace it, so you will always have a future with it. The most important advice I would give to a welder would be practice. Practice and try to learn as many skills as you can. Welding allowed me to see the world, and now that I have a family, I have stability at where I'm working. It's definitely something that I would like to pass to my son. It's a good skill set to carry with you for the future. One of the best parts of welding, I would say, are the possibilities that you can build anything with your bare hands and make a change for other people. Make something productive, make it where it's useful, or it could save someone's life, or it could protect us. Once you see a molten puddle, it captures you. It will draw you in, and you see the elements being manipulated, and you're doing it. It's pretty interesting. Welding opens a lot of doors for your future, allows you to have a steady and good income, and also build yourself a future.